to use egg and yogurt for hair growth. Take 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then, whisk the egg in a bowl until the yellow and white are mixed properly. Next, add the yogurt to form a consistent paste. Now, divide your hair into sections and apply the mixture from the roots to the tips. Then, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. In the end, rinse your hair with shampoo and cool water. For best results, you can use this mask up to 2 times a week. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. And because hair is 80% protein, applying protein-rich eggs to hair can help replenish the protein lost through styling, making hair stronger and better able to stand up to heat. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.